We're going to have a look at Mathematical Services MyDatabases application. It's selected from the list of apps in a Windows PC. This is an application for managing your company's lists or inventories or small databases. So it relies on a Microsoft SQL Server at the moment. So we can see the instances of Microsoft SQL Server that are on this PC. They're there. That's one I've used before, so I'll connect to that. That's now connected to that database. We can log in, and I shall log in with an admin username, which actually gives me some special priority, but I shan't be needing those for this demonstration. To load a database, select the name there. I shall load the database of the company's expenses. There you go. It's got one table labelled expenses with those fields which you can have a quick look at there. If you want to have a more careful look, you go to the search tab, type in the database and it's filled in automatically for you actually most of the time. Type in the database and the table, expenses, add the table, select all the fields, all the columns, and there we have it. It can be ordered by date, so that the most recent ones are at the top in this case. The fields are simply strings, so you can add anything you like to these fields, basically numbers, names, date, anything you want. It's exactly as you provide. That's the date of entry, which is created automatically. It need not be the same as the date referring to the record, such as that particular entry shows. This column here, this field here, is the GUID, the Global Unique Identifier. That is actually a unique reference to that record in this table, in this database. Throughout the world, should you need that facility for a global company. How do we add a new record? We do it like this. To that table. Let's call our company Microsoft. Let's add some software. Let's buy some software. Today, costing £25, VAT being at 20%, £5, and we'll leave that field blank. Add that entry. That entry is added. You want to see it added? Search again. Organised by date. And there it is at the top because it's the most recent one added. Well, that was a newbie entry, test entry. So we don't want that, so we'll delete it. That gets rid of it. As you can see, it has gone. An existing entry can be updated here, and this database can be backed up to a database file or to an Excel file. When you've finished, you may log out and then quit.